Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create tabs using dashboard links in Grafana. Okay, so I got Grafana opened, so I'm going to log in, admin. I'm using the default username, which is admin, and password admin. Login. So I'm going to skip this. So I'm going to go to dashboards. So I got 4 dashboards here. I'm going to click on new dashboard 1, and this is the panel that I have. So it's a time series chart. Okay, so to create a tab or to create tabs, go to settings, links, and then click add dashboard link, and we can leave the title as is, new link, tab. I got 2 options here, dashboards and link. I'm going to choose dashboard, which is the default, and I'm going to leave with tags as blank. And then here I got options. So show as drop down, include current time range, include current template variable values, and open link in new tab. I'm going to click open link in new tab and click save dashboard. Save. Back to dashboard. So here we see the tabs that we have. So new dashboard 2, Prometheus uptime monitoring, and SD1 monitoring. So let me click on new dashboard 2. So it redirected to another window. So yeah, and this one doesn't have data, no data, and this one also. Oh, this one has data. Okay, so that's how you can create tabs using dashboard links in Grafana. All right, so hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.